In this video, the topic to be discussed is IoT framework. In this figure, M2m machine-to-machine communication device and gateway domain. This one device and gateway domain. This one access network. Access network core network belongs to network domain. And finally, M2m machine-to-machine service capabilities. And these are the all are belongs to application domain. First domain is first domain is the device and gateway domain. Device and gateway domain. In this domain, M2m devices. M2m devices. Example is body area network. Sensors are access devices. These devices having some machine applications and machine-to-machine service capabilities. These devices run machine-to-machine applications using machine-to-machine service capabilities. Sensors are two types in body area network. Biosensors, motion sensors. These sensors are intelligent devices or objects and things here are incorporated with microcontrollers, microprocessors, communication modules, converters, memory, and power, inbuilt power. These sensors are used to sense the patient's conditions. In another, this is example 1. In example 2, home automation. Home automation. In home automation, we use the things are the M2m machine-to-machine communication devices are in home automation. Smart TV, smart mobiles, smart refrigerator with Wi-Fi connectivity. Traditional TV with Wi-Fi connectivity is called as a smart TV. The mobile with Wi-Fi connectivity is called as a smart mobile. Smart refrigerator. smart refrigerators, smart watches, smart fire alarms, smart fire alarms, smart door locks, smart washing machine, smart AC, lights and fans, lights and fans. These are the things which are considered in home automation. In body area network, in health conditions, the sensors are playing an important role. Coming to third important. So many applications are there. Smart metering. Smart meter. In smart meter, gas smart meter, water smart meter. All these are the devices. Smart energy meter. Smart energy meter. This is one M2m devices. Some technologies are used to connect these devices. Here indicated some technologies. Here MBus, KNX, Zigbee, PLC, power line communication, CEN, CNELC, DLMS. These are the some M2m area networks. M2m machine-to-machine communication area networks. These are the networks at the home side, user side, which are used to connect the devices, which are used to connect the M2 machine-to-machine communication devices. These are under M2m area networks. Two types of connectivities are there. Here, M2m devices are directly connected to network domain via access network. These are the devices. Without considering these technologies and the gateway, these devices are directly connected to network domain via access network. In the second case, these devices are connected to network domain with the help of M2m area network and gateway. Here, gateway as a network proxy. Proxy means it acts as a gate between the two networks. The M2m device connects to the network domain using these M2m devices connected to the network domain using the M2m area network. Using the M2m area network. The M2m device may be connected to the network domain via multiple M2m gateway domains. Sometimes via multiple gateway domains are used to connect the devices to the network domain. In case 1, direct connectivity without using these technologies, these devices, M2m devices, are directly connected to the network domain via access network. In case 2, M2m devices are connected to network domain with the help of M2m area network. with the help of M2m area network. In that case, M2m gateway play an important role. M2m gateway acts as a router or gate to the isolate these two networks, M2m area network and network domain network. Next one, direct M2m device. M2m device connected to the network domain in the following manner. These M2m devices connected to network domain in the following manner. First one, direct connectivity. Direct connectivity means M2m device connected to the network domain via the access network. M2m devices connected to the network domain. Networks means BSNL, Airtel, Jio, etc. Network domain via the access. Later I will explain the importance of access network. Here direct connectivity means these M2M devices are directly connected to this network domain via access network. In that case, in the second case, in direct connectivity case, M2M devices performs the procedures such as registration, authentication, authorization, management, and provisioning with the network domain. Suppose what is meant by authentication? If you are having a BSNL fiber net, for authentication purpose, we have some login ID and password created. If you want to use that BSNL fiber network by using these login ID and passwords, and with the help of that Wi-Fi, and they use that network for the process, for the communication. Use that BSNL network for that communication. Okay, this is called as authentication. The M2M device means your laptop, tablets, mobile smartphones, or smart TV, fridge, washing machine, all are devices. In case of direct connectivity, these devices are directly connected to the network domain through access network. M2M device performs the procedure such as registration, authentication, authorization, management, and provisioning with the network domain. Next, in the second one, these devices are M2M devices are connected to network domain with the help of M2M area network. In that case, M2M gateway as network proxy. Gateway acts as network proxy. In case 2, the M2M device connects to the network domain. Connects the network domain using the M2m area networks. The M2m gateway acts as proxy, behalf of proxy for the network domain. Okay. In case 1, these M2m devices are directly connected to network domain with y-axis network. In case 2, M2m devices are connected to network domain via M2m area network. In that case, M2m gateway acts as a proxy for the proxy network for the network domain. Next one. Examples of M2m area networks. M2m area networks. Machine-to-machine communication area networks. It generally provides connectivity between M2m device and M2m gateways. M2m device, M2m area network is the this is the M2m area network is the provide connectivity between M2m gateway and the M2m devices. Examples of M2m area networks. Examples of M2m area networks are PAN, personal area network. ZigBee, Bluetooth, PLC, power line communication, M-bus, wireless M-bus, KNX, DLMS, CEN, etc. These are the technologies which are used at the user side. Personal area network. Personal area networks. First one is M-bus. M-bus is also technology used at the user side for home automation. M-bus is used to read energy consumption data from power meter. That is the M-bus. Is used to read energy consumption data. From power meter. Power smart meter, energy meter. Okay. Power meters, heat meters, gas meters, water meters. And various sensors. Along with some various sensors and the actuators from different manufacturers. This is the M-bus technology. Here we use M-bus is a hierarchical system with communication controlled by master central allocation logic. Master and slaves. A two-wire connecting cable is used to connect the master and slaves. A two-wire connecting cable. This one is a master. Two-way connecting cable is used here. These are the slaves, are nothing but devices. Slave 1. Slave 2. Slave 3, etc. Two wires are used here. These slaves are connected parallel to. This is M-bus is a hierarchical system with communication controlled by master. Communication is controlled by master central allocation logic. The M-bus, this is the M-bus consists of. M-bus consists of the master in number of slaves. These are the slaves, and a two-wire connecting cable. This is the two-wire connecting cable. The slaves are connected in parallel to the transmission media. These slaves are connected in parallel to the transmission media. This is the one of the technology. We know that personal area network, Zigbee, Bluetooth. Zigbee is a low power device local area network. And the Bluetooth small distance, it is also a personal area network. KNX is a communication protocol. KNX is a communication protocol and widely used in home and building automations. A two-core twisted pair data cable is the most common communication media for KNX installation. Here all devices are connected with one another via the bus cable. This is the KNX communication protocol. This is the KNX. M-bus completed. PLC, power line communication. Power line communication uses the existing power cabling. Internet over the power cabling is called as power line communication. Generally, we use this technology for smart meters, smart energy meter. Zigbee, Bluetooth. These are also protocols. PAN, personal area network. These are the machine-to-machine area networks. DLMS. DLMS is a device. Here, one more technology used here is M2m area network is DLMS, device language message specification. Device language message specification is the main global standard for smart energy metering. Is the main global standard for smart energy metering. These are some technologies which are used at the user side. Connect these devices to the network domain via gateway. Coming to network domain, this device and gateway domain completed. Here M2m device are connected to network domain via M2m area network. In that case, M2m gateway acts as proxy network. In this case, M2m devices are directly connected to the network domain via access network. This is called as a direct connectivity. In this case, the M2m gateway acts as a proxy network between two networks. Proxy means it acts as a gate between two networks. Between two networks means M2m area network and the network domain. Coming to network domain. Here. The network domain. First one, access network. This is the access network, a network that allows the M2m device in the network domain. First one is access network. A network that allows the machine-to-machine device and gateway domain to communicate with the core network. Here, this is the access network. These M2m devices are connected to this network domain via this access network. Generally, examples of the access networks. Examples of the access networks. Types of access networks. DLS. Digital subscriber line. It is the telephone lines run between the central office or exchange to your home. These are the telephone lines. telephone lines. These lines are used to carry data plus voice. DSL can carry both data and voice signals, and data part of the line is continuously connected. Data part of the line is continuously connected. In DSL, digital subscriber line, you are able to use the internet and make phone calls simultaneously. Make phone calls means voice, and able to use the internet means data simultaneously. This is the one of the access network. Next one is FTTH. FTTH. Fiber to home. Fiber to the home. Uses optical fibers from a central office. Here, this is the central office directly to individual homes. Individual home. By using fiber optic cables. It provides high-speed internet. It provides high-speed internet. In case of mobile phones, here we use some mobile phone. GP, general packet, that is very, very important. GPRS. General packet radio service. With the help of this GPRS, general packet radio service, and cellular mobile communication, cellular mobile communication. Send the packets, send the radio packets, and receive the radio packets. These are some important. Sometimes we use, in some cases, in educational institutes, we use access network is HFC. HFC means hybrid fiber coaxial cable. Hybrid fiber coaxial cable. From central office to, that means exchange to your home or educational institute, we use a fiber cable. Inside networking, we use coaxial cables because fiber cables are costlier than coaxial cables. Up to area from central office to boundary area of that educational institute, we use fiber cables. For the inside the networking means inside the room, you have to connect the systems, desktop systems. We use coaxial cables. Sometimes we use satellite communication, acts as a satellite communication. We act as accessing network. Accessing network. Next one, GSM. global system for mobile communication. Global system for mobile communication. Global system for mobile communication. It is a cellular communications. GSM is an open and digital cellular technology used for transmitting mobile voice and data services. UMTS, sometimes it is also called as UMTS, the Universal Mobile Telecommunication System. The Universal Mobile Telecommunication System. These are the some important examples of the access network. Coming to core network. In this figure, one more network is also there, that is called as a core network. Here, core network. A core network is the central element of a network that provides services to the customers who are connected by the access network. Suppose mobile phones are connected to that access network through GSM, UMTS. All these are these mobile phones are connected to that network domain through access network. The access networks are GSM, GSM, Global System for Mobile Communications, and UMTS, the Universal Mobile Telecommunication System, GPRS, GPRS system. GPRS means General Packet Radio Service System. Okay, sometimes some devices are connected to M2m devices are connected to, that means sensors, smart TVs, smart fridge, smart AC, all the devices are connected to network domain via the access network. In that situation, the access network is Wi-Fi, WiMAX, HFC, hybrid fiber, FTC, fiber optics, and so on. In case of core networks, a core network is the central element. A core network is the central element of a network that provide services to customers who are connected by access network. This is the core network, central office, CO. Central office. These are a core or backbone network provides path for the exchange of information between different set networks, different subnetworks. Different subnetworks. Next one, a core backbone network provides paths for the exchange of information exchange of information between different subnetworks. Roaming. Roaming means you are in one state, your friend is in another state. Some networks, that means Airtel, Vodafone, Geo networks provide communications. Some charges are allocated. BSNL are removing the charges. Only BSNL network removing the roaming charges. Other networks are not removing the charges. This is the roaming. Next one, M2m service capabilities. M2m service capabilities. Machine to machine, provide machine to machine functions that are to be shared by different applications. Use core network functionalities. Here in between core network and M2m service capabilities, we use some servers, cloud servers. Cloud servers are used to store the data. Coming to M2m applications. What are the M2m applications? Application layer. M2m means application layer. One of the major objective in this layer of IoT is creation of an intelligent environment. Creation of an intelligent environment by using the data is stored in the cloud servers, such as smart buildings, smart home, smart industry, and also this layer provides data integrity, authenticity, and confidentiality. Data integrity, authenticity, and confidentiality. Here, by using here some devices are some devices are used in home automation applications. Some devices are used in body area networks. Some devices are used in smart energy meter for applications. All these devices, and with the help of access networks and mobile area networks and the core networks, generates the data. And finally, that data is stored in the cloud servers. With the help of that data, you have to implement the applications. This is the machine to here. In this case, at this side, these machines are sensors. Machines are smart devices. In that case, here. In this case, here the data is stored in the cloud servers. That person, with the help of that laptops and mobile phones, tablets, access the data and provide some communication. Here tablets and mobile phones and mobile phones, tablets, and laptops are the devices. That is the reason machine to machine communication. Here the machine to machine communication is possible. These are the 3GPP, third generation project. Third generation project. These are the standards. These are the for mobile communications we use 3GPP. These are the existing standards. IETF means Internet Engineering Task Force. Internet Engineering Task Force is an open standard organization which develops and promotes voluntarily internet standards. It promotes, it develops until any new technologies, enhanced features are added, which develops and promotes voluntary internet standards. This is the important function of IETF, Internet Engineering Task Force. TISPAN, that means telecoms and internet converged service and protocol for advanced networks. This is another technology. 3GPP, third generation partnership project. Third generation partnership project. These are the standards. Here M2m area networks are used at the user side, connecting the devices, provide the communication with M2m gateway. Gateway acts as router. The M2m area networks are personal area networks, Zigbee, Bluetooth, Kennex, M-Bus, power line communications, PLC, DLMS, CEN, CENELEC. What are the access networks? Access networks are digital subscriber loop, digital subscriber line, DSL, and FTTH, wireless lines, 3G and LTE. 3G, third generation, and LTE means long time evaluation. And the long time evaluation offers high speed wireless communication. WiMAX. Here access networks are some access networks. WiMAX, Wi-Fi. WiMAX is the world interoperability for microwave access. Worldwide interoperability, I means interoperability for microwave access. Wi-Fi is used to create small networks, and it is used to connect the printers, computers, phones, tablets, PCs, etc. Sometimes for data mobile communications, 3G, third generation, long-term evaluation. We use wireless lines, FTTH, DSL. These are the some important access networks. Coming to core networks, what are the main function of core network? Core network is converts gathering the data from the M2m devices through access network and M2m area networks, converts the data into suitable form. That is the raw data. The main function of core network is provide services to the subscribers which are connected to the access network, and that core network creates the data and convert into suitable form. The data is finally stored in cloud servers. Based on that application, sometimes in e-health applications, smart metering applications, smart home applications, the data available in different servers. We use that servers, we have to implement the applications. We use the servers, we have to implement the applications. These are the network management functions and the M2m management functions. M2m mission to mission management functions means manage all these networks. That means M2m area network, M2m gateway, access network, core network, M2m service capabilities. All these under the control of M2m manage functions. Network manage functions means network management, only networks, access network, core network, all these are under control of network management functions. These are the from M2m service provider domain, M2m service provider domain. Core network is the backbone network. Core network is the backbone network. These are the some important. This is the applications, important application explanation, not application explanation related to this network. Coming to this one. See this one. Three types of domains are there. Sensing domain, that means this is the network domain. Application domain. Sensing domain means M2m devices, M2m devices plus M2m gateway node, gateway plus M2m area network, M2m area network. In the sensing domain, we use M2m devices. Here in the home automation, here also sensors are used. Here in home automation, lights, bulbs, fans, AC, fridge, smart TV, smartphone, smart washing machine, smart refrigerator. Here the person, body area network, monitoring the conditions of the person. This is the car acts as a machine with the IoT application. Sensors are incorporated with that car. That is called as smart car, autonomous car, driverless cars. Here the camera, surveillance cameras. All here different devices are used here. Suppose in case of body area network, sensors are acts as devices. These sensors are incorporated with the communication modules, controller modules, power modules, data conversion modules. Creates the these sensors are used to sense the patient's conditions and develop the data. The data is directly communicated with the gateway node. The gateway node send the information to internet. The internet sends the information to the doctor side. Here, network domain. Network domain means access network plus core network, access network, core network plus M2M service capabilities. Here we use LAN local area network, wireless local area network. This is another network, Wi-Fi network, Zigbee network, wireless area network, cellular network, WiMAX network. These are the some important access networks. Core network means provide access to the services, users or subscribers which are connected to the access network. These are the application domain. Application domain means weather server, traffic server, medical server, police video server, pollution data aggregation, physician, person with devices. Analyze all the things by the person with the help of tablets and laptops, desktops. All these are machines. Here device are access machines. Here device are access machine. That means machine to machine communication. Machine to machine communication. Coming to this one. Here sensing layer, network layer, data processing layer, application layer. Here in that sensing layer, generally 4 layers are there. Here we use devices, M2m devices. In suppose in case of body area network, the M2m devices are sensors, biosensors and motion sensors. In case of home automation, smart TV, smart refrigerator, smart washing machine, smart AC, and tablets and tablets, desktops, computers, laptops with Wi-Fi connectivity, all are belongs to devices. Based on that application, we have to choose some devices. These devices are placed in a sensing layer, and also some gateway node and some M2m area networks are used to connect these devices, performing their actions. Here some gateway. Here network layer. Network layer means some access network and the core network, and these are the main networks. What are the access networks? Access networks are DSL, digital subscriber line, fiber optics, FiberNet. FiberNet means fiber network communication. Fibers are used to connect the central office to your home. Wi-Fi, WiMAX, Wi-Fi, WiMAX, FiberNet, DSL, digital subscriber line. For mobile communications, we use GSM, GPRS, and so on. This is the base station. That core network, the core network generates the data. We came from the sensing layer. That is transform that raw data into suitable form data. That data is after data processing, the data is stored in the servers. In case of applications, application layer main function is with the help of the data available in the servers, medical servers, weather server. So many servers are there here. In this case, medical server, traffic server, weather server, pollution data aggregation server, police video server. Based on that server data, have to choose that application that is in resides in application layer. Coming to this one, these are the sensors. Sensors are used in the sensing layer. Sensors are used. Wireless sensor network. In wireless sensor network, sense the environmental condition. That means here some crops are there. Humidity, temperature, pressure of the crop conditions. These generates the data. The data is sent to application layer with the help of that cellular network. With the help of that cellular network. These are the some important applications of the important explanation of the IoT frame networks, frameworks.